Hello, myself Dr. Emily Kamba, Medical Officer Ayurveda, Northeastern Institute of Folk Medicine. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive new updates whenever I upload a video. One famous American actor has quoted, "An actor has one greatest fear, that is pimples." Pimple is a common chronic inflammatory condition of the skin. Pimples affect both males and females, although males tend to have more. In Ayurveda, pimples has been elaborated as one of the Shudra Roga, meaning minor ailments. Pimple is called as Yovan Pidika or Taruna Pidika. Yovan and Taruna means young age and Pidika means wounds coming out. So, wounds coming out in young age is known as Yovana and Taruna Pidika. Also, another term comes in Ayurveda which is known as Mukhodeshika. It is made of two words. Mukha means face and Dushika means polluted. The disease in which the face becomes polluted, that is, face becomes bad to look at, is known as Mukhodushika. So, with this explanation, we can say that pimples can be related with Yovana Pidika, Taruna Pidika and Mukhodushika according to Ayurveda. In modern system, it can be correlated as acne vulgaris or pimples. Mukhodushika can be subdivided into three types. Vataja Yovana Pidika. In this Pidika, there is intense itching, scaling, dryness and blackish discoloration of the lesion. Pittaja or Raktaja Yovana Pidika. In this Yovana Pidika, there is symptoms like redness, heat and pus at the acne site. Kaphaja Yovana Pidika. In this Pidika, there is oiliness and pus at the acne site. American Academy of Dermatology has developed symptoms of acne into three types: mild, moderate and severe. Mild acne is characterized by the presence of few to several papules and pustules but no nodules. Patients with moderate acne have many papules and pustules along with a few to several nodules. Severe acne patients have numerous or extensive papules and pustules as well as nodules. Yovan Pidika is characterized by Saruja, mild painful, Ghana, firm on touch. What can make acne go worse? In cases of female, when the female are approaching their menstrual cycle, anxiety and stress, oil-based makeup, hot and humid climate, greasy hair, squeezing the pimples. In Ayurveda, mainly two types of chikitsa for Mukhodushika has been given. Number one is Shodhana, that is purification of body. Shodhana includes Vamana and Nasya. Vamana means medicated vomiting and Nasya means installation of oil in the nasal region. Shamana, conservative treatment by oral and topical applications. There are various Ayurveda proprietary medicines for acne or pimples. I won't be discussing it, but the topical procedures which are used in acne are Lepa, Upanaha and Shara applications. If medicinal treatment does not improve the condition, then various surgical and parasurgical procedures has been explained in Ayurveda. Acne can be managed by Raktamokshana, that is removal of infected blood by the procedure Siravyada, venesection and Jaloka Avcharna, that is leech therapy. Several other procedures has been elaborated in Ayurveda, that is Agni Karma, Kotri and Chedana excision for better management of Yovana Pitika. Now coming to home remedies, equal quantities of saffron, turmeric, neem, red sandalwood, basil and milk is made into a paste and then applied on the affected area. Increase intake of water, about 8 to 10 glasses of water, and then take coconut juice. Wash your face frequently with mild soap. Cleanse your face with lemon peel. Do's and don'ts precautions for pimples. Do not press or prick pimples frequently. Wash your face frequently. Do not let dirt get onto your face. Always maintain clean hygiene of the body and wash your face with lukewarm water. Wash your face with mild herbal soap, and if there is pain and inflammation, you can use a sponge. Always try to avoid junk food, fast food and outside food, as this contains more spicy, oily and other substances like sodium bicarbonate, etc. Cut out on fat and take more of green leafy vegetables in bulk, as this helps in forming the bulk of your stool, and this will help in relieving the constipation problem you have. Take sufficient amount of water. If available, lukewarm water is advisable, as it acts as a natural stool softener and helps in removing the constipation also. More of fruit juice, especially juices of grapes and lemon are advised. In cases of inflammation and pain, steaming plays a very important role. Avoidance of cosmetics is the key. Avoid mental tension, stress and anxiety, as all this increases the pimples. Be tension free and your skin will get better. Fresh water, fresh air and sunlight plays a very important role in healing your skin. Regular exercise and long walk also plays a very important role in improving the tone of your skin. Diet plays a very important role in healing your skin. Bad dietary habits are likely to produce diseases, so you should be keen to take on nutritive and healthy diet. Diet described in Ayurveda: consume fresh food. You should eat warm food in proper quantity. You should eat only when the earlier food has been digested. Do not take incompatible foods, Viruddha Ahar, according to Ayurveda. Do not eat too fast, too slow, and food should be chewed very nicely. You should eat in a pleasant place. Avoid hot, ushna, katu, spicy, and foods which has been prepared in oil, fried and pungent food items. All these things which I have discussed in this video are just for educational purposes, and it should never replace your medical consultation. Like, share and subscribe to Health Naturally, and also comment